Hi everyone, my name is Gracie. Today we are talking about the copy trading. What is it and how it's used? First, what you need, go to the options, take the link and register to the crypto exchange Wix. Get free $10 to your account. Here a lot of bonuses for new users. So the copy trading, it's mean you can trade even without experience. It's mean you have some trader, for example, the futures trade, okay, copy trade. We find some trader. We watch how he trade, good or no, and we decided to give him our money. This trader or some other, what you like it, he can bring you money, he can bring good ROI, and he can spend all your money. So it's risky, but you must to learn everything before you start to copy. But this is type of business, it's very good. Why very good? Because even without experience, without big money, you can try just in a little money copy some trading. In this way, you came to the crypto. So try Wix. It's the best copy trading what I see in other exchanges, in just in small money, and some trader, if you see, for example, okay, copy trading. Here have elite traders, okay, and some traders they don't have risky. If you find they are very small percent, but no risk. Some trader can make, for example, 5,000% a month, but there it's risky. This is trader level 2 panel. Let's see the panel. This is for 60 day, 68%. You can make a lot of money. This trader, for example, made 80%. Let's see. This is 637% and 0 losses. Let's see how he trade. Very good ROI. He used the 400 leverage, 600, 400%. All it's plus. For example, this one. It's not bad. And you can check all your history, all your trades, what he do it, how he trade, and decided it's good trader or no. If it's good trader and you like this trader, you can just copy. For copy, it's very simple. Just copy and finish. You need money and just press it one button only. Copy and automatically you start to copy all the trade. This is very important. And this one trader make a lot of money for his followers. And this is how can you do some money without experience, without anything. But you must to calculate all the risk before you start. So all the links will be in the options. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in next video.